Um, Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one tomato based mocktail. Mocktail name is Spicy Tomato Delight. How to make spicy tomato delight? First of all, you have to take any type of fancy glass. Just ream the glass with the help of lemon. Then just ream the glass with salt. You have to ream the glass with salt. After that, you have to take a shaker glass. Then you have to pour 6 to 8 ice cube. After that, you have to pour 10 ml of lemon barley syrup. Then you have to pour 300 ml of tomato juice. Then you have to shake the tomato juice. Okay. After that, you have to pour some salt. Then you have to add some black pepper. Then you have to squeeze 3 lemon wedges. Okay. After that, you have to add some Tabasco sauce or capsicum sauce. You can add some green chili also if you are having. This is very spicy mocktail you can try. Then you have to add some western sauce. Okay, yes, that's it. After that, you have to add some mint leaf into the rim glass. Then you have to shake all the ingredients with the help of shaker glass. Then pour all the ingredients into the salt rim glass. Yes. If you want, you can add some more tomato juice. That. Then you have to garnish with some lemon slices, and you can garnish some. That's it. Your spicy mocktail is ready. This is a spicy tomato delight mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.